Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Breaking: Amazon announces huge partnership with Shiba Inu explained. Shiba Inu price shows a dual outlook where it could go either way depending on the overall market bias. However, since many altcoins are relatively underperforming a bunch of altcoins, Shib could see a different outlook. In this video, we will talk about Amazon announces huge partnership with Shiba Inu explained. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu's price dropped 76% between April and June 2022. This downswing pushed it from a high of $0.0000300 to a low of $0.0000071. Since this local bottom, Shib has risen an incredible 68%. The volume profile extending from the peak of the crash of August 4th shows that the highest volume was traded at $0.0000118. An interesting observation here is that the recovery has pushed Shiba Inu price to move past this level, which is now serving as a support level. The dual nature of the trading is clearer from this vantage point and shows that the chances of a bullish move are high as long as the $0.0000118 support level holds. The breakdown, on the other hand, would indicate a possibility of a correction. A move on either side makes sense, especially considering the lack of high-volume nodes. From a bullish perspective, no major resistance levels are present up to $0.0000198. Beyond this level, a weekly resistance level at $0.0000211 could hinder end-up move. On the downside, a price efficiency exists at $0.0000083, potentially harming early investors hoping to capitalize on the bullish move. Due to this ambiguity, the best result can be obtained by looking at the Bitcoin price, which is the driver and the provider of the directional bias to the crypto ecosystem, at least for most of the time. From a trader's perspective, a fill of the FVG as soon as possible would be the signal that triggers a buying opportunity for Shiba Inu price, especially if the overall market condition looks bullish. In such a case, a long swing position at $0.0000083 with a target of $0.0000198 and $0.0000211 would be the best asymmetric risk and reward trade a trader could hope for. This move, if it manifests, would be a 154% gain. While things might be looking up for Shiba Inu price due to its position above the POC at $0.0000118, the winds might shift, favoring the bears quickly if the Bitcoin price triggers a sell-off. Hence, investors need to be mindful of the big crypto and its directional bias. A weekly candlestick close below $0.0000083 will invalidate the bullish thesis for Shiba Inu price and potentially trigger a crash to June 18th swing low at $0.0000071. The most recent price performance of the famous Shiba Inu meme coin was quite a surprise for all traders on the market. Shib token showed the lowest level of average daily volatility in the coin's entire trading history. The main reason could be the relatively low volume of token burnings. According to the daily chart of the token, Shib has been moving in one straight line for the last 7 days. The asset price has not changed by even 1% for a week, an unseen price performance for a historical volatile asset like Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu had come a long way since the days when it was just a meme coin trying to shed its identity in favor of something more useful. The official launch of its decentralized platform, called SHIBASWAP, confirmed Shiba Inu's commitment to growth. Fast forward to the present, and SHIBASWAP has secured the top spot in the list of the leading Ethereum dApps based on social signals. This is according to findings by crypto analyst Ben G. Crypto. This is an impressive feat for the DEX, which managed to outdo OpenSea and the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which came in second and third consecutively. SHIBASWAP averaged roughly $10.8 million in daily volumes, according to Nomics.com. Uniswap, one of the top decentralized exchanges, averaged over $1 billion in trading volume. However, this is not a fair comparison considering that the former has been around longer than SHIBASWAP. Stakeholders might be more interested in SHIBASWAP's impact on Shiba Inu's price. The DEX was supposed to incentivize investors to hold SHIB and even stake it to earn passive income. This incentivized approach supported SHIB's strong rally in the third quarter of 2021, but its limited growth has had little impact on SHIB's price since. Higher exchange withdrawals are normal at discounted levels. Shib is trading at a sizable discount from its current all-time high. SHIBASWAP has so far had a positive impact on Shib's performance. However, its influence is quite limited compared to market forces. Robust growth of the SHIBASWAP ecosystem would likely encourage more people to stake their Shib, but that remains to be seen. The Shiba Inu ecosystem appears to have had a productive week. The network turned 2 recently, and the festivities continued all week. After revealing the highly anticipated game's name on Tuesday, the network closed the week by landing a slot on Binance Card. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange announced the addition of 3 new assets to the Binance Card. This included XRP, Shiba Inu, as well as Avalanche. The supported crypto assets are expected to go live from today. However, it should be noted that the card is only limited to users residing in the European Economic Area. In addition, Ukrainian refugees living in the EEA countries can also avail the latest edition. The inclusion of Shiba Inu does not surprise me, as the meme coin has been witnessing widespread adoption. An array of platforms over the last couple of months have been harboring the asset and elevating its presence. Additionally, with Shib, XRP, and AVAX, Binance Card pushed its number of supported cryptocurrencies to 14. The other assets on the list are Cardano ADA, Binance Coin BNB, Bitcoin, Binance USD, Polkadot, Tether, Ethereum, S.S, Lazio Fan Token, Santos FC Fan Token, FC Porto Fan Token, along with SXP. NowNodes, a blockchain-as-a-service solution, said it would list one of Shiba Inu's ecosystem tokens, Bone, on its platform. Therefore, developers will be able to access the full Ethereum node and free API tools to build on the Bone network. As disclosed in a tweet, NowNodes is set to support Bone ShibaSwap alongside many other top crypto projects like Bitcoin, Cardano, VeChain, Ethereum, and Terra Classic. Bone is the governance token of the ShibaSwap decentralized marketplace used for voting on ecosystem proposals. The token will also be employed as the gas of the upcoming Shibarium protocol. The Twitter update read, "Great news for Bone Army. Bone is going to be listed on NowNodes. Bone is one of the 3 ShibaSwap DEX tokens and a governance token that allows the team to vote on upcoming proposals. Dive in to access the ETH node via free API key and build on Bone." NowNodes is a blockchain solution that provides fast and easy access to over 40 most popular blockchain nodes and block explorers. According to NowNodes, the service maintains 45 full nodes, and developers can access all of them via one single API key. The firm's listing of Bone means that developers will now be able to access Ethereum full node via a free API key and build on the Bone network. An Ethereum node is a tool that allows developers to browse the blockchain. As Bone aims to hit $1 in price per token, it has been listed on several renowned crypto marketplaces. Businesses have also adopted the token as a payment method. At the time of writing, Coinbase shows that Bone ShibaSwap is trading for $0.91. While the Shiba Inu community awaits the launch of the Layer 2 protocol, Shibarium, the team noted that Bone would serve as the gas. The total supply of Bone has been pegged at 250 million. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.